We can also solve questions that involve parallel lines and perpendicular lines. Example number 4 and number 5. So in example number 4, write an equation of a line with y-intercept at -3 and perpendicular to y equals 2/3 of x plus 1. Every line equation would involve using the slope. What is the slope that we are now dealing with? 2/3. This is the slope given to us, but we want a line perpendicular to what? Yeah, -3/2. If the first line would give us 2/3 for the slope, a line that is perpendicular to what is given would now be -3/2. We have the slope. So now it is a matter of using this equation or that equation to continue. Do we have the y-intercept or do we have a point given to us? Y-intercept. So this is what we will use in this case. And we will have y equals slope times x plus the y-intercept. -3 for the y-intercept. The plus here will now be a minus. This will be the line equation in this case. What about the next one? Write a line equation that passes through the point 3 and 5 and is parallel to this equation. What is the slope that we want to use in this case? -1/2. The given line has -1 x/2, and it's understood to have a 1 in front of the x. So in this case, the parallel line in this case will have slope -1/2. And they give us the point here. I can now use this equation for this question. Y minus the y coordinate of your given point. And here on the right hand side we have m times x minus x1. That will be the line equation for this in point slope form. Once again, if you prefer, you can turn this equation into general form. When you are to do your homework, the answer in the back of the book will probably have everything in general form. And here in this case, if you actually turn this into general form, I will multiply the denominator to the other side. And the -1 on the right hand side, when you times it by the bracket, it will be -x plus 3. So to put this equation in general form, we will now bring these two terms to the left hand side. We want to start this equation with a positive x, not a negative x there. When I bring it to the other side, it becomes a positive x plus 2y minus 13.